Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Sophia and today we'll make a shutter card as a little surprise upon opening. First off is our card base. The measurement for this one is 7 by 11 inches. I like a bit of an offset look in the front, but if you prefer a standard symmetrical card front, then the measurement should be 7 by 10 inches. For scoring, we start with a scoring at 2.5 inches against the 11 inch side, then we fold it and score at 5 inches from the first scoring. After folding the second scoring and rounding the corners, our card base will look like this. Rounding the corners is optional. As you can see here, we have this card with regular corners. For this card, I'd like to decorate the card base at this step. For each side of the card front, we'll decorate both the inside and outside. For the 2.5 inches side, our pattern paper measurement is 2 1/4 by 6 3/4 inches. For the 3.5 inches side, our pattern paper measurement is 3 1/4 by 6 3/4 inches. Each side, we prepare 2 pieces of pattern paper. I rounded the corners to match my card base. In the back, you can also decorate however we like. I'll keep it simple this time with a neutral panel measuring 4 3/4 by 6 by 3/4 inches. Now our card base is ready, so let's move on to the next step. In this step, we'll work on the central panel of the card. The first component, this piece of cardstock, its measurement is 3 3/4 by 8 inches. Against the 3 3/4 inch side, we score half an inch and fold along those scorings. Then we'll make a cutout from the center portion here. This cutout is where our little surprise will show through. Its size and shape can be customized with your choice. We'll put glue on the 2 flaps here and center this piece on the center panel. I'll decorate the frame with some pattern paper. This is actually a piece of pattern paper measuring 3 1/2 by 6 3/4 inches. Then I cut out a circle with a diameter of 3 1/2 inches. Next is our pretty little secret. I prefer to put this on after the frame so that centering it is a tad easier. Our center panel is done. Now let's move on to the next component. Our next component is our shutters. Start off with a piece of cardstock measuring 4 1/4 by 6 3/4 inches. We'll score at half an inch against the 4 1/4 inch side. On the 6 3/4 inches edge, we'll mark the center and 2 1/4 inches away from this center on both sides. On a line perpendicular to this edge at the center, mark 2 1/4 inches. Connect these marks to make a triangle, then cut it out. To decorate the shutters, we have pattern paper cut to 4 by 6 3/4 inches. The step to cut out the triangle is exactly the same as what we did to the shutters, except from the center is not 2 1/4 inches, but only 2 1/8 inches. To put the shutters on, we'll put the shutter piece between the 2 layers here, put glue on the flap, and then gently align the flap with the fold. Repeat on the other side with the remaining shutter piece. Finally, add some ephemeras and embellishments, and our card is complete. I hope you enjoyed today's card. I will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.